This room is currently getting emptied out. Just after we made it look beautiful in here, it's getting emptied. The project we're currently working on is the bathroom. Say hi.
I don't know how to sweep.
He doesn't know how to sweep. So this is our guest bathroom, but also the only bathroom. Sorry, I'm learning I probably shouldn't be cursing. We are trying to do a cheap remodel of our guest bathroom dash the only bathroom that's currently working in this place. It's very ugly. It's not pretty. I don't have a clear direction on where this is going. White is always good.
White is always good.
And accent details. So this is the bathroom. This is it. I never get before a video. So I'm clearly...
No one thinks you're doing anything.
What?
But like, what did it look like before? So like, that's what it looked like before.
Can you stop bullying me?
You never changed, never cleaned anything.
This is the bathroom. Okay, the only thing that's different is there was a little mat there, a trash can, and then we had like there was a storage toilet thing. Currently, this is the situation. Oh wow, beautiful light. Gross, icky bug juice. I don't know what this is. We have tried scrubbing this out of this wall, and whatever this sticky stuff is not coming off. Our bath, see, is it dirty? It's kind of dirty. I don't think we're really going to be able to replace this. I'm assuming that's a lot of money, but it's definitely going to have to go eventually because, yeah, it's peeling off the wall. We're going to film like a really cheap DIY bathroom remodel because, you know, if we had the money to afford to like knock this bathroom out and knock this cabinet out, we would, but you know, we're not rich and we don't have money, so thank you. So we're at Lowe's because we have to fucking get mud, and we came across this ventilator for the bathroom, and it changes and you can play music, and honestly I think we should get it. We'll have the coolest bathroom in the whole world.
The smallest.
The smallest, coolest bathroom ever.
I like it.
Approved?
No, I'm kidding it.
You know, just looking at sink tops that we can't afford. Oh, how'd you get in there?
They're nice.
It looks like a toilet.
I like it though.
It looks like a toilet
I want the
seat.
ones that are flat and then it has like a bowl.
I like the square looking ones. I think they're really cute. It's like my belly. Honestly, it's like they're like cheaper than you think they are, but then it's like ridiculously still expensive. What the hell?
You act like we can actually afford to buy any of these.
Okay, I can fantasize. Thank you. Got a few new detailing things. We got this bathroom hardware set from Walmart. It's not the cutest, but it's just solid white. And if I ever really want to change the color, I can just take it out and spray paint it, because that's what I'm into nowadays. We got this black trash can. We got this so this icky one doesn't, you know, take sanitary shit out. And then, you know, we got this right there. My toes wouldn't really be in that shot. So we got that to put back over. I went to Lowe's, bought some mud. Anytime I refer to mud, if you don't know, because I genuinely didn't know until someone explained it to me, this is mud. It's this goop, which is not this consistency normally. It's usually a bit thicker. I just water it down because I watched a few videos from this one guy who says, you know, if you want to do really nice seamless corners, you should water it down. All I'm supposed to be doing is just that. Like, I'm just gonna go in and do that, right? But since I have like this weird gross sticky stuff on this wall, and it's wallpaper that is manufactured on the walls, I'm gonna just completely cover it with mud, which I already did here as my test one. And I have to do it to the entire, well, almost the entire bathroom. This is a whole other wall I gotta tackle and figure out what to do with. It's the next day. Still a little bit that you can see, but honestly that's not too important as long as it's covered. Pretty much all we're doing is trying to get the paint to adhere. Oh, there we go. So I have a duster and I'm just where I sanded, trying to just get as much dust off as possible so I can go in with, you know, a second or third layer. I went ahead and dusted up all that was here and now it's all on the floor. So great. As I'm in there chipping away, yesterday Philip had rented a deep cleaner, which we've rented before. You know, I noticed as I was coming to continue what I was doing, it was still wet. I think Philip figured out the problem. I think we just had a clog and it was just all collecting right there. So much so that it was making this entire part of the carpet. Oh, hello. How you doing? You want to say something? You want to say something? I don't know. It's gross, but dried extremely quick.
Oh my god. Oh my god. He on X Games mode.
Like, I don't know how to tell you how fast this dried in comparison to everywhere else that I've mudded. There's definitely, you know, some ridges and shit, which I'm going to sand away and hopefully that will kind of blend it all into one piece. Ooh, right here is soft as I mean, soft as heck. It's soft as heck. So yeah, that's pretty much, I'm letting it completely dry before I go in and sand it for a second time. And this is what I'm doing. This wall was weirdly painted, like it had texture and everything, and there's no other wall in this entire house that was painted like this. Clearly somebody patched something in the wall. It looked like somebody hit right here, patched it up, because yeah, I came across this, which is like the stuff you use when you patch up a wall. So currently slowly trying to get rid of the paint by chipping it away with our handy dandy like wonder tool. All right, so you're lucky that I cleaned up this fucking, damn it, I can't cuss. So you're lucky that I cleaned up the huge mess from all the paint peels of this, which, just so you know, is taking a really long time. And we still have pretty much half the work left over. Double checked up on a Tuesday. Double cheeked up, double cheeked up. Cheeked up on a Tuesday. Double cheeked up on a Tuesday, ay. Double cheeked up on a ooh, ay, ay, ay. Hey, look at you. Hey, look at you, babe. Winnie, Winnie. Winter, what are you doing? Winnie, Winnie. Double cheeked up, double cheeked up. Oh my god, guys, it's Christmas in July. So quirky. Accidentally turned off the camera as I was making a stupid joke. Yeah, look at that. Oh, those are my underwear. But I'm dusty as heck. It's it looks like I'm just showing you nothing, honestly. This is a wall, I promise. So I have to go in and just, you know, patch up the little bit of holes that I have left. Do this second layer down here, but this one doesn't honestly have to be too perfect because it's going to be hidden by a shelf, but I shouldn't be thinking like that. I have to make sure it looks as nice as it possibly can. Damn, trying to film this and it looks messy as fuck. Oh, here comes Philip. I've been sitting here for probably like 30-40 minutes trying to figure out what the theme for the bathroom is going to be. Of course, we've been remodeling it for the last 2 days because that just happens when you have to mud everything. We already picked a paint out like a while ago, and we have that sitting there, and it's like a light pink purple and we already have a holographic shower curtain in there. We really want the centerpiece to be the holographic shower curtain because it's so pretty. I think ideally in my head, I wanted a bathroom to be pink, marble, and gold. The more I kept, wanting to do that, the more I realized I think everybody has their bathroom like that. And not that there's anything wrong with having a bathroom most people have. I think I was just trying to tell myself to move past that idea and focus on something else. I kind of want, like, our house to just be very different, which, like, oh my god, we're so different. I think I do want it to be slightly, like, ooh, edgy. So I've been sitting here for like 30 minutes trying to figure out what exactly I want to do to the bathroom. I don't want the bathroom to be left untouched for like months as I don't think about it, but slowly think about the theme. I go on Pinterest like I always do. Pinterest honestly is so helpful when it comes to any sort of home like decor. Like it's just, it's a lifesaver. And I was just scrolling through it, and I had saved Vaporwave washer, and I was like, I like this. I think it goes very well with holographic. And the more I kept going down the rabbit hole, and the more I talked to Philip, which was very helpful, the more we realized we wanted to go for a very early 2000s theme.
White is always good.
I don't think we want to commit to like our bedroom being like that or our studio. Like every room is basically us living out different styles. Our studio is supposed to be very baby, and our bedroom, honestly, we haven't even thought about our bedroom. Like we painted it and that was it, but now we realize we have so much more to do to it. I want you to walk in and be like, oh, I can tell this is early 2000s, and also be like, this is very different. So this is what I have so far. It's just honestly a rough idea. This is pretty close to the purple of the bathroom, like the bathroom wall. We can't change the bathtub at all, so pretty much, I put the shower curtain there, even though that's not, oh, my fingers are black because of the printer ink. We have like a purple matte, whatever, right? And I was trying to figure out color of the countertop, and like we got a circle mirror, and I just found something on Pinterest where they put, a neon light around it. Of course, this is all stuff that's like probably really expensive, but we're gonna do what we can. And I think most of our accent pieces are gonna be this neon green, which is gonna be really pretty. I'm just honestly sitting here trying to figure out what I'm doing. So what the heck happened to this? Oh, I was like, what the hell? This is the washer that I was really inspired by. That's the same shape as our cabinets. I don't know what you call that. So I was like, oh, I'm going to try to keep it pretty close. I don't know if that's going to be the exact design we go for, but it's going to be somewhere around that. I also went ahead and saved some of the like color schemes I kind of like, which is basically just iridescent. These are the colors where I'm like, I don't know about that pink, but like these four for sure. So, update. I completely finished plastering the walls and maybe started painting like a second ago. I don't know if you could tell. Oh my god, you can. So we put Valspar glitter into our paint, and I think I'm gonna put glitter in the rest of the fucking house. Holy shit. Oh, here comes you see it?
Oh my god.
You see how pretty it looks?
It's so glittery.
I poured the whole thing in there. The entire thing. Well, I was doing it slowly. It's just this tiny little, however big it is, and I poured like an entire packet in there. It's
Let's do our whole house.
Really fucking pretty. Well, it's painted. It looks pretty good. You really can't see how glittery it is. As I am slowly piecing everything together, we got some new light switch cover, and it's gray. I know this is a really stupid detail, but I think it's going to suit everything pretty well. I'm too tall to be in these frames ever. Tastes like vomit in my mouth. Oh. So I got some water because I thought I was going to barf. Ah! Bathroom's completely painted. Philip put in the new overhead storage on the toilet. The next step is to put the bathroom accessories on, which is just going to be this set that I got from Walmart. It was $12. You bet your ass that's what we got. We are going to spray paint them in the color green. You want to go out there and help me spray paint it?
Not really, but I will. But I
What
will.
if I get kidnapped?
You're not gonna get kidnapped.
I will get kidnapped.
What do you?
We're gonna finally work on what do you call it? The sink cabinet? Cabinet sink? The risky thing I'm about to do is do it with spray paint. I think I'm about to take everything off and prep it. Got my painter's tape. Wish me luck. That is my prep. No free toe picks. I took down the door and put some copy paper, which I'm going to reuse because I don't want to waste any sort of copy paper, you know, because it's good paper. Alright, so I completely took off the door. It is ready for spray painting. I am not going to spray paint much more in the house. Can I do this with one hand? With nails on? Nope. I can't. Got Philip on the camera right now. What's up, Philip? Went to Walmart, got a few sprays, got this dark-ish, it's not purple, but it's kind of like the color I need for this. For the shadows, I'm gonna do one down here, but since this is already taped up, I can't do this. Well, I guess I technically could. We'll see. I'm about to unscrew the toilet paper roll thing here and try to clear it out so I don't get spray paint on our new thing, but I guess if I'll probably tape it up and it'll be fine. Oh my god, we're almost done with this bathroom. It's fantastic. Alright, so I don't know how long it's been since I've been working in this fucking bathroom, but it's gonna be as cute as it's gonna be, honestly. It's just, you know, done with spray paint. There it is. Like, yeah, that was torn, so I sprayed it so it wasn't like too big of a difference. There's that. It's not the cutest or the best, but that's what I get for thinking that doing this with spray paint was going to be the best idea. Wow. I guess it's done. And I absolutely hate it. It's not good. I can't lie to myself. It's just really patchy in certain areas. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know what I'm supposed to do to get rid of this. I mean, I can sand it and re-spray paint it, but I'm gonna have to leave it as is for now. But hello, and welcome to my early 2000s Y2K bathroom. So, voiceover me here to tell you that past editing me is an idiot for deleting my talk through of the bathroom in my really cute holographic getup. Luckily, I filmed some shots of the final product, and overall, I am pleased with the outcome. This took me over a month because I can't focus on one project at a time, but I'm happy to say I don't have to mess with the bathroom anymore. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think about it. Leave a comment. Also, like and subscribe for part 2 because I left out a really big part of this bathroom remodel and I think you're going to want to see it. Have a great day.